Giovanni for the big piece.
Throw some to the birds over there. Keep doing it.
Wow, we almost went through a whole loaf of bread. You should have grabbed that bag. With all those...
Oh, well, we can still go back over and get it. It's still over there.
They choked it. Giovanni got the big one and it choked it. That one was the mama's.
Stand up and
Don't
feed
give
him.
him the whole thing. Choke on it.
You're going to make him fight.
He was coming right up to him like he was going to take it out of his hand, too.
Look, there's almost gone.
Uh-oh. Is he going to get it?
Look like he's running off with it. Look at him. He's like, Nick, it's mine.
They're chasing him. They're chasing him. Oh, he's running away with that big piece of bread. They're going to get him.
I need some more.